I seen Kimmy, I'm going to sneeze again because I won the first round. Kimmy's dead jealous of us. 1, 2, 3. In case you wondering how we do it, you just get a bit toilet paper and twist it up like that. Put I like tickles, yeah, dead funny. Oh my God. Later.